everybody, Tanya Atomic here, and I want to share with you the Wet N Wild Pac Man powder kit. I am so excited about this. I wanted to buy the entire Pac Man collection. There is more. There's a nail kit, lip kit, there's an eyeshadow. The reason why I didn't buy it is because the eyeshadow has carmine. And carmine is not vegan. It is actually made from squishing up beetles. And I just can't. I just can't. So again, here is the package for the powder kit. The powder kit is vegan and cruelty free. It's so cute. I don't even want to open it. It's so cute. Okay, but I'm gonna open it. Powder pellet bronzer. Look at the top. That is really, really cute. Power palette bronzers. Oh my goodness. That is too cute. It's too cute. Okay, and then the next thing we have in here is the High Score Blush Palette, which is also too cute. I've been hearing Wet n Wild does really good powders. I found this lipstick, which is actually, it's this Ghost Gloss. So cute. And this is Blinky. Look at that little detail around there. Okay, I was just about to lie to you and say that it's a sticker, but it's not. That's actually printed on there. Wow, that's cool. This is a sticker on top of there. And I bought Pinky, also at Ulta, and then I bought the Bonus Fruit Lip Scrub. This smells like sour apple. The other one that they had was Clyde, but I didn't pick it up. I feel like I should have now. It's just, I just picked up the two, but I feel like I should have just went ahead and bought Clyde anyway. And then Inky is the other one that they have, that's the blue color. And they didn't have that one there. And I looked on the website, and I don't think they have that one by itself on the website. Anyway, so here's the blush. It's got the scores on there. The last thing in here is the brush. So cute. It's yellow on the tip, Pac Man yellow, and it's got this glitter. It's different round glitters with little yellow Pac-Man. Can you see that? The little yellow Pac-Mans floating by. I did my makeup except for I don't have any blush or bronzer on, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that to see what it's like. So the bronze pellets, they look, oh, so it picks it up. I'll do a little swatch. It's weird to do a swatch. Look, I have to kind of rub my finger. Sorry, it's a little strange. Okay. Oh, I did swatches here before, so I'll do it right here. Okay, so that's kind of a nice mid color. Okay, it is like way darker than I thought it would be. Let's see if it'll blend out. Okay, it's seeming to blend out pretty nicely, actually. I will dip just ever so slightly and not get too much product. So it's not actually the smoothest best blender. It does blend out. Let's see, it's a little bit dark right here still, where I accidentally picked up too much product and I put it all right there, right at first. So don't do that. Anyway, it does blend out. It's shiny in there. It doesn't look super shiny here. So it is workable. It's not the best bronzer, honestly, that I've ever used, but it's not workable. Okay, so I was having a little bit of camera issues there. Sorry about that. But I do want to swatch the blushes for you guys. And I accidentally dropped something in there. So I don't think they have different names for the blushes. But I'm going to just go here, the top right. Okay, so that's real pink there. And then here, top left. So that's real natural looking. On me, that's really natural looking on me. Then down here, and both of those are shimmer. Down here, bottom right. Kind of a more dark peach. And then bottom left. That's sort of a bright shimmery peach. So they all look sort of subtle, but some of them do have a shimmer to them. I'm going to pick the one that kind of look natural. And just kind of go in here. Okay, that looks very much my skin tone. Like, I don't really see much of a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and go with this bottom right, this shimmery peach. Okay. So it looks like it adds a little bit of a glow. Definitely, okay. It's added, this blush adds glow. Okay. So this stuff, oh wow, yeah. That adds a glow. It's very shimmery. The color isn't very, it isn't very dark. It doesn't come across very, you know, like some blushes show up like a red flush on your cheeks. This stuff doesn't really do that, but it does have a shimmer to it. So, you are gonna get that glow like you wouldn't even really need highlight. Because you are getting that glow. Wow. Interesting. Okay. Just for fun, I'm gonna try this color. That adds a little bit of a flush blush color. So I think because of my skin tone, these colors that are sort of have the more brown, more yellowy undertone, don't show up as well. They blend into my skin more. And then these ones that are kind of reddish do. So that makes sense. So yeah, it's a subtle blush with a really high shine. This one is, like I said, is not shiny, does not have a shimmer to it. But the rest of them do. So if you like your blushes with a shine, these definitely will give you that. So it's like blush and highlighter in one. So I'm back with Pinky on. And Pinky is it's a pink. And I like it too. I think it's really cute. I think it actually goes with the powder products. It looks good with that. Anyway, I like this stuff. It is, I opened everything up, but it's super cute packaging. The lip glosses, the ones that I have tried, I haven't tried the other two. They're really nice. It's a nice formula. It's like the liquid cat suit where it's not too sticky, and my cat wanted to come in. He's meowing. It's not too sticky. It isn't creamy though. Like they're called cat suit. It does kind of have sort of like a vinyl. I don't know how to describe it, but it's like I had to get used to it when I first used it. It has a different kind of feel to it, but I like it. It does have some staying power, just like any gloss would. You know, it doesn't keep up. You know, if you're eating and that kind of thing, but it keeps up like any other kind of gloss would. And it's a formula that it has a different feel than anything I've felt before. So I do like it. I would say the bronzer, I mean, you can see how it kind of stayed here. It doesn't blend out super well. That was my mistake. Just, you know, use a little and build it. Don't smush it all in one place. And it has a little bit of a shine, little bit, not like the blush. But anyway, I like this stuff and I will actually use it. So, I'm glad I bought it. It's cute and it looks cute on, and I'm glad I bought it. Now, I like to hear from people, and I feel like I don't hear from people enough. So, if you have the Pac Man collection, if you've used it, if you like the eyeshadows, even tell me what you think. I'm not gonna personally buy something that has carmine in it if I can help it. But if you like it, that's your thing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Talk to me about the Pac Man collection from Wet n Wild, or other things from Wet n Wild, because I have actually been purchasing other things from Wet n Wild too, because I have been liking the liquid catsuit lip glosses. Surprisingly, like I said, it took me a minute to get used to the formula, but now I really like it. So please send me those comments, and subscribe if you like this and you want to see more. And thanks for watching.